Fisher's Garage Door Works in the Indianapolis and surrounding areas, providing every service needed in your garage door. We have the best team of technicians in town that is devoted in providing customers first-class garage door services whenever and wherever you are. Our technicians are experts in dealing with any kinds of garage door problems at very reasonable price. We guarantee great customer service and no hassle on getting your garage door repaired. With our great prices and discounts, we are one of the preferred garage door companies in the area. Call us now at 317-564-3365 and let our professionals handle the job for you. There's no job too big or small. If you have any inquiries regarding your garage door services needs, you can call us and our representatives will be happy to help you.